you so much. That's an extraordinary welcome. I've never experienced a welcome like that in my life. Chairman, Chief Host, our Honourable MLAs, Madam President, my dear friends Abu and Teja, distinguished leaders of Nagaland, honoured guests, friends, and my international fellow travellers. Sop Manu K Salam Diase. So in my own language, I can tell you hello as well. That would be Fáilte Rómh Galéir. Hello everybody. It's a privilege to be with you here for the inauguration of the Hornbill Festival in Mon. It truly is an extraordinary privilege to be here and to receive such a warm welcome. I can only echo Abu's words in noting that the festival here can only go from strength to strength. I arrived here last year and witnessed the Hornbill Festival in Kohima. I was really struck by the warmth of the welcome, by the celebration and pride of your Naga culture. And I can only say to my international travellers that I can guarantee that you'll leave Nagaland with a piece of Nagaland and Hornbill engraved in your hearts. Our ambassador and full Irish delegation had the honour of being with you at the opening ceremony in Kohima over these days, and we've been overwhelmed by the generosity and friendship and warmth shown to us. On behalf of Ireland, and I need this, let me say in my own language, Guramila Mahagav, thank you very much, 1,000 thank yous. For Ireland, being a partner country at Hornbill has been both an honour and a source of deep pride. Hornbill is far more than a celebration. It's a declaration of identity, creativity, culture and confidence. It shows Nagaland as the world sees it now. Rooted, vibrant, outward-looking and full of possibility. Ireland instinctively recognised... What am I missing? Oh, thank you very much. This is the generosity and the friendship. Nowhere else in the world do you experience this level of hospitality. Ireland instinctively recognises this spirit. We understand the power of culture, of music, of memory, of story and landscape to shape who we are and how we connect with others. Those shared instincts have been the foundation of our presence here in Nagaland, and they'll guide our relationship with Nagaland and India in the years ahead. Our contribution to Hornbill this year was modest, but we brought some significant performers all the same. We brought a really great Irish band that played on the opening night and then performed a conference. We had one of our most renowned historians, Professor Jane Allmeyer, here to talk about the shared journey of reconciliation and peace in Ireland and Nagaland. We had Terry Phelan, one of our greatest international footballers, who talked to the passion of sport and football here in Nagaland. And we also had some art exhibitions as well. But what's made this partnership meaningful is really the welcome that we've received from the Naga people. To the government of Nagaland, to the Department of Tourism, to Abu and his team, Teja, and to every single person who's greeted us with kindness, you've made us feel not only invited, but included. You've made this a real partnership. Ireland has learned a great deal during our time here about resilience, about identity, about the transformative power of cultural pride. And we hope that this week marks not an end, but a beginning. The beginning of a deeper collaboration, be it in education, research, tourism, culture, sport, business, agriculture, but mostly people-to-people exchanges. We look forward to building our friendships, especially with the young people of Nagaland, whose talent and ambition are unmistakable. As the festival lights dim in Kohima, what remains is the sense of possibility that Hornbill has ignited. Ireland is grateful to have shared this moment with you here in Mon and in Kohima and across Nagaland. And we're very excited about the path ahead. Guramila Mahagav Kuknalin.
Thank you, His Excellency, Mr. Raymond Mullen, Deputy Ambassador, Embassy of Ireland, India. With this, we have come to the end of the